I love the Iowa State Fair. A lot of people, when they go to the Iowa State Fair, they go specifically for cattle, horses, and tractors. When I go to the State Fair, I go for the tractors, for sure, and my experience has been great. We get there on a Tuesday, we unload at noon, try and get the best spot if you can. I like to go really early. We usually leave home about 3 o'clock and we get there by 7 or 8 o'clock, even if we don't unload until noon. And just the atmosphere. I love tractors so much, and seeing other people that have the same passion as me and getting to talk about their projects as well, not just mine. It's great to be there. I've spent so much time on this tractor. I don't leave it there alone. I am there from sun up to sundown. I like to talk to people, hear their stories, and a lot of people like to hear mine. And if they don't, I like to hear theirs too. There's a lot that goes on out there that people don't know about, and just what people have been through on their farms or with their tractors or working on tractors. It's just, I love listening to it, love sharing stories. So it's my favorite thing to do in the summertime.